Good day, everybody. So, my truck is acting up a little bit on me. It seems like it's not getting fuel. So, I got myself a fuel pressure sensor because it idles good, but when I'm driving, all of a sudden it seems like it's losing power. So I'm gonna try and I want to see what the fuel pressure is doing when it's doing that. I think it's the pump, but I don't know. But I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna install this and there. Just see what it's doing, and I'll try and determine what exactly the problem is. Alright, so we're here in my truck under the hood here now, and I believe this right here is where the sensor goes. I got this loosened. It is a 7/16 bolt. And then this just screw right into there, to that hole. Oops. Into there. And that is a 7/8, which that won't work, so I gotta find myself a wrench. It's apparently all I have, but I got it in there. It's snug. I don't think it needs to be any tighter than that. So then you take your wire, I guess. We take it here, and I got a hole right there, and then I'm gonna go through. It'll be, no, this wire here. Will plug into there and then go into the cab. I'll just go ahead and it'd be fairly simple. Just take the smaller end, put it in there, or just in there. Shove it all the way in, and then, come on. Then this end, we'll just plug into the sensor. Just like that. All right. And you want to keep it from anything that's going to get hot. So I think if I just run it over top of, I don't know if that gets hot or not. I'm going to pull that out for a second. I think if I run it underneath here and just go like that, down there. Anyways, you don't want to see me push this wire through. Right. I think that should be fine. Got it coming there, through there, up and over here, or there, through that hole. That'll be good. Now we go in the truck. Now that's running through here. Coming up. Where is all this coming from here? Let's get that out of there. There we go. There. I'll actually go up and around the steering here. Come on. Okay. So there's that. And then I'm going to, I haven't got the gauge pods yet, but I'm going to put them right here. I eventually want to get 4 of them. I have the fuel pressure for now, and I did that because I'm having the trouble with the fuel, and I wanted to see what it was doing, so that's why I got fuel pressure. Ah, what the heck? Come on. So there we go. They will be here eventually, like that. Hopefully, bam, bam. But yeah, we'll put it there for now. So these wires will have to come up through there. But I'm gonna do that now. All right, I got that wired up, kind of tucked in behind there, coming through there for now. Eventually I'll probably maybe drill a hole in here, and then when my pods are on there, I'll do that. But that is gonna be it for now. And then I gotta figure out these other wires here. And these are power wires and such. I'm gonna have to read the instructions here and see what exactly to do. So one is, imagine one is ground, one is power. I don't know if it would have. And then there's a dimmer switch, something or another, that would get to your light. All right, so I got all these wires hooked up. This, the red one, I ended up just taking from my stereo. From the stereo, the head unit thing there. That's the keyed power. So I only get power when the key is on. Ground, obviously, ground. Black one obviously goes to ground. Yellow one is constant, which I found in my truck. This here is a constant, and the previous owner or somebody had put this in there, and there's a fuse under there. Where is it? It goes to a fuse right here. Goes to that. There's a fuse in there already. It came to here, so that's my constant. To there's my constant. And then this orange one goes to your dimmers, which you want to take and take your switch out and find the one that goes to your headlights, which in this case is this. It's a brown with blue wire, and I just tapped into it with a wire, and that'll go to the orange wire on the harness there. And I would have used colored wire. All I had was black, and I didn't want to buy any. So eventually I'm just gonna get some tape and color code everything, so I know for when I get other gauges, I can easily just wire right up into there. So I'm going to put this all back together. What I did for these here, there, I used a 9/32 thing like that to get that off, and I'm going to put that back all together. And then this was the same thing, actually. It was the same. So that worked. But I'm going to put it all back together, and then we'll see if she works. So there we have it. It is working. And I don't even have 50 PSI. And I should be at least 60, so there's a problem somewhere. that. I should have at least 60 psi. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Now, I know it's something with that, and I'm gonna have to, I'm pretty sure it's the pump is leaking or it's shot or something. So I'll have to figure that out. Anyways, that was the fuel pressure install gauge. These are the glow shift gauges, just off of Amazon. So yeah, I don't know, I gotta figure out my fuel situation now. Anyways, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Subscribe, would you? Subscribe. And click that like button. Comment. Bye.